PM Modi also inaugurated the Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit 2024 and the Rajasthan Global Business Expo in Jaipur. Speaking at the Jaipur Exhibition and Convention Center, the Prime Minister said that every investor in the world was excited about India. He called the century tech and data driven and said that the country is showing real power of democracy, demography and data to the world. Prime Minister Modi was also seen interacting with several artisans and craftsmen at the exhibition in Jaipur.
आजादी के बाद के 7 दशक में भारत दुनिया की 11वीं सबसे बड़ी इकोनॉमी बन पाया था। उसके सामने पिछले 10 वर्ष में भारत 10th लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी से 5th लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बना है। बीते 10 वर्षों में भारत ने अपनी इकोनॉमी की साइज करीब करीब डबल किया है। बीते 10 वर्षों में भारत का एक्सपोर्ट भी करीब करीब डबल हो गया है। 2014 से पहले के दशक की तुलना में बीते दशक में एफडीआई भी 2 गुना से अधिक हुआ है। इस दौरान भारत ने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का खर्च करीब 2 ट्रिलियन रुपए से बढ़कर 11 ट्रिलियन तक पहुंचा दिया है। साथियों, डेमोक्रेसी, डेमोग्राफी, डिजिटल डेटा और डिलीवरी की पावर क्या होती है, ये भारत की सफलता से पता चलता है। भारत जैसे डाइवर्स देश में डेमोक्रेसी इतनी फल फूल रही है, इतनी सशक्त हो रही है, ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है।
Adani Group plans to invest over rupees 7.5 lakh crores across various sectors of the state economy, with over 50% of this investment being made over the next 5 years. Let me elaborate. We plan to build the world's biggest integrated green energy ecosystem involving 100 gigawatts of renewable energy, 2 million tons of hydrogen and 1.8 gigawatts of pump hydro storage. These investments will turn Rajasthan into an oasis of green jobs. Beyond energy, Rajasthan is critical to our ambition to become India's largest cement company. We will set up 4 new cement plants to build additional capacity of 6 million tons per annum in the state. In addition, there are other investment plans such as developing a world-class facility at Jaipur Airport, multimodal logistics parks and ICDs that will support your transformative plan for Rajasthan.
From resurgent Rajasthan to rising Rajasthan, you're someone who started and understood how important it is to have business come here. So from resurgent Rajasthan to rising Rajasthan, आपका क्या संदेश है?
I think it's a good movement forward. I think that Pradhan Mantri ji is coming here, and his actually recognizing the fact that rising Rajasthan is going to mean a lot for the people of Rajasthan makes us all, I think, rather happy, because we know that the steps that have been taken so far have been strong, and that the steps that are going to get taken according to the line that he's shown us, if those steps get taken, I'm sure that things are going to happen in Rajasthan which is going to make the lives of the people of Rajasthan change.